Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
We worked so hard for money.
Watu wanaitisha
refund our money. Refund our money.
Hizi bado zitaharibika.
Refund our money. Na tunataka yetu hatuwezi lipa show. No. No. Nini? Hapana. Wacha tuulize. No. Zaka yetu. Alafu nyinyi mtakatisha hapana. Zakayo haititax. Tulipe pesa. Kwa tuna pesa kwa mtu. No.
The moment
greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. I'm fix my goal. You see it? I'm fix my goal. You mean a goal me deal with it, and I can't afford diamond. So a goal me deal with. You see me, I say goal. Real goal. Everywhere you turn a goal. What I gonna try come take it from me? Attacking boss. People, here what I go on now. Shenseea. Boy, what go on a Kenya with Shenseea? Alright, Shenseea, let me say this. Baby girl, I love you, Shenseea. We love you. You see it? Me love you. The world love you. You see me? Remember, you are the princess of dancehall, you know. Spice are the queen, you are the princess. Shenseea, we love you. You know what me as a Shenseea upon a real level. Zane, we don't want nothing happen to you. Me personally, me don't want nothing to you, Shenseea. Cause you see what go on in Kenya? When me hear you, me see you there on the stage and you see younger perform for 6 minutes. Security have to run and take you off of the show people. So what go on in Kenya now? Them say the patrons them start, you know, like a stampede start going in the crowd. Because when Shenseea forward on the stage, people start push up themselves and be things, you see me? And them say then security have to use all tear gas and them things. Now whole heap of something start going and things never look so good. I don't know so Shenseea as an international dancehall artist, my people. Don't know such a sign to a US international label. So them are gonna protect them asset because she had them big asset. That's right now, you know, my people are them business that. So security run boom and basically the show boom. Because Shenseea in Africa from what day. You know, say a bit things are going for her. Yeah man, money I make. But deep inside the people, like Shenseea, she never too happy even before that thing start, you know. You see me? She never too happy. I want more have to say, yo, me understand the artists them. You see me? I money them I make. Cause every artist dream for go Africa, the motherland. You see me? The motherland. Cause when a man talk about Africa people, remember, you know, we talk about Africa, a lot of time you go on TV internationally. You see them show you some slums and them thing there. But I see in Kenya, like in a Nairobi and them place the people, me I tell us the city like a New York, pretty, be a skyscraper and them thing, they not joke about it. So when I see some places in the world, and I see them point some pictures, and then we say certain things about these places, but if you shall visit these places and go in a certain part, you think America you're there in a New York City. You see me? So we not go bash and say Kenya. But you have some Kenyans, my people. They are so aggravated. They are so, you see me? Big up to the Kenyans, them, you know, because we not disrespect them. We love the Kenyans, them. We love Africa. But we have to some of them. So me think say, boy, for the artists, them, bro, like, certain places it's risky. You see me? For them visit, it's risky. You see me? Because I saw a video with her. If you look while me attack, a while she did a Kenya this. in the street of Kenya. And she good, she go out, she go to the market, she go to the zoo with the animal them there and them thing there. But while performing, it's like she never too up in it. You see me? The greatest thing is, and the people are upset, the patrons are upset because they must say them pay them money, bro. And this is how I go on. They work hard, them save their money, and spend a lot of money if you go to Shenseea. And this is how them get the end of the thing. This is how them get the whole thing and what go on. But look here, as I show now. Kenyans, who they are the show, who pay the money. When you get to see the artist, don't. When you love the artist, don't. Understand this. If nothing shall happen to the artist on the love, on the cherish, what if something serious shall happen to her and she wish we don't want nothing happen to her, but say something happen to her when she get injured or pass, or not go feeling on herself. So what them have to do is protect her, and they say it weren't safe for her to be on the stage, so them do it. Are the best thing them do. Unfortunately, we never get to the money's worth, but we have to blame the disgusting patrons them who were in the show, who are do the stampede and them whole heap of things they are cast tear gas and these things. They have to protect them assets. She's the princess of dancehall, so they have to protect her. You see me? Come on, man. It's a good look. Big up the artist Shenseea, because you don't know we go to working on people. We are the attacking boss. You see me? If the artist do something and we don't rate it, we are going to attack it. But if the artist are do great, come on, we have to push out the great. And she's a great artist, great female artist, dancehall, internationally, making a lot of money, rich. You don't know, rich, we can't say that. You see me? When whatever she did do certain things and we talk about it, people, we pass that and we go on. So now we are saying she do things, she make it, she tour the world, she climb up the ladder, people. We have to salute her and give her acknowledgement, you know what I mean, with the whatever she do and her accomplishment what she achieve, my people. We have to, you know what I mean, congratulate her upon that. We not go bash her and say this and say that, my people. So on a real level, man, Shenseea, as me I say, take care of yourself. We don't want nothing to happen to your princess. We don't want nothing to happen to you. And big up to the security. I love how I'm running and how him push forward. You understand? Because the way him cover her, it's like him be a bulletproof for her. So if something did for knock her, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Big up. But yo, artists, you know what I'm doing, you know. We understand you want to make some money, but sometimes people, look how it go now. Sometimes the artists them sign to some label, you see me? And the label get some shows. All deep inside of the heart of the artist, them not happy for go there, but what? They want to say no and then can't say no. Because if them say no, people, basically there are going to be consequences where they may lose a lot of money, lot of deal, lot of sponsorship and them thing there. And this is one of the things now what we see with Shenseea. You see me? So, I just say set, man. But the greatest thing, my people, the artist good. She great. We don't hear nothing from Ramesh pertaining to it. We don't know if him there over there. You see me? But fame thing is a different thing, said we. You see me? We don't hear nothing from Shenseea either. But based on fact from people, we see a post from Kenya and them thing that they must say, yo, such and such go on with the artist, my people. You see me? A whole heap of thing go on. But the greatest thing is the artist is good, the artist is great, and she is alive and well. You see me? That are the greatest thing, man. So, the people, we just do the right thing. You see me? And big up on yourself, man, and thank you for the love and for the support. And you see, for the new year, my people, me I wish you all the best. You see me? Be a greatness to your life. Be an accomplishment. You see what I mean? Achieve what I can achieve, my people. For me personally, I'm telling this for the new year. We're up on a level, people, where we are go forward. Wish we always go forward, you know, my people. No matter the near, new, or the name, all. We always go forward and go up the ladder. There can be some challenges and some stumbling blocks maybe coming your way. But no make this, you know what I mean, stop it from go up. You know what I mean? You just go through the trial and knock over that and go forward. Because I can tell you this, my people. In a 2024, people, a whole heap of things go on my way. You see me? We are... I lost a whole heap of money. I show them with families and things and, you know what I mean, so-called ones and, you get me? But it never stop my people. I still achieve a lot. I travel so much country across the world where I give God thanks. You know what I mean? We put up things for people. You know what I mean? I give God thanks for everything, man. And all as I can say my people, yo, I thank everyone for the love and for the support. You see me? on the whole internet thing, yo, YouTube, the fans, them will stay tuned to me, yo, will support my thing, yo, will watch my thing, yo. I love you, know. I'm just wishing all the best. For the fans, them on IG, my new followers, them who are rolling, yo, I love you, know. I see my TikTok, I go up the ladder now, yo. Which we never say we are going to do it to the people, but we see where people are gravitate to it, and if we can use TikTok for spread certain things, because look how the media set now. Yeah, we have a fan base so there are some people. You know, so we are YouTube legendary, big YouTuber. But still yet, IG, you will find certain people who just gravitate to IG. And then I go find certain people who gravitate to Twitter when I can make some posts on Twitter and them something. You know what I mean? X nowadays. And then you got have some people who gravitate to Tik. You see me? So, in the end, people, we have to do that where we can give the people the different variety who you serve. Because we are the brand and we are serving and we are the attacking boss. So we have to make the people know the fullest, man. So, people, I love you know. You see me? And I appreciate you know a million times. Through 2024, you support me. You see me? And yo, I'm proud of myself what I achieved in 2024. Because going back to 2023, people, there were a lot of challenges in that year for me personally. You know what I mean? With my whole production thing. If you check the views and the videos I will drop my people. But what channel did. And 2024 was a greater accomplishment. Especially in the closer part of 2024. We achieved so much. You know what I mean? I've been through so much people. And God give me back the strength, the health and the voice so we can attack them. And people. So all me can say. We wish you the best for 2025, long life, prosperity, health, strength to uno family. You see me, guidance and protection, my people, and be smarter and be wiser. You see me, people not spend off everything. So anybody who spend off everything during 2024, me I gotta tell you now, no work list. You don't feel hurt, you no work list. If you don't spend everything in a 2024, my people, you no work list. I not say nothing for 2025. God go with you because I'm save. Invest in assets. See it? Invest in assets so you can do assets. You see me? Peace out, my love you, man, and be good and be great. Take one more sip. Campari my thing. See it? Yeah? Straight Campari. You see me? With some ice on the rock. We love Campari, my people, and my thing. So you see if I see attacking boss. And you say, NEWLINK, I want to buy a buckle. A Campari. You see me, I want to buy me a drink, NEWLINK, a Campari. And if you want to give me a support for the new year financially, come on. Of course, we have PayPal. And of course, you can MoneyGram. Hey, you want to give something, check below and give me a link. Peace out. I appreciate it, my people. I'm drunk, but I'm not fool. But me not drunk. I'm sober. Peace out.